Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one Google Books library in Java, and I hope you will be also enjoying this project. Also like enjoying all the previous videos and projects of Java which I have just covered up previously on, and all the beginner series which I have just made. So you can just check my all the previous courses of Java which I have covered up, and I hope that all projects you will be also enjoying in this project also which I am just covering up today. So like I'm telling you, we will be just covering up books library project today, which should be just really helpful for intermediate level. If you are just not, you can check my beginners courses. First of all, check that all, then move to this intermediate, because if you just directly move to intermediate, but if you are advanced or intermediate level programmer of Java, so you can cover up these project. But if you are a beginner, so my opinion is to check first of all beginner courses, or you can say beginner project, then move to these intermediate and advanced project. But advanced is not start yet, but move to intermediate from first project, because that will be just really helpful for you. So these are some of the videos which should be just really helpful. And then you can also check my previous React and JavaScript courses also, which I have just made, because that are also really helpful for beginners if they want to just if they want to learn, or if they want to just learn, or they can also just become full stack developer of that if they learn that all projects, because these are all really helpful for you. But if you are new here, first of all hit the subscribe button, and if this video is really helpful for you and if you are enjoying, so please hit a like to this video, and also share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also learn this programming tips and tricks and become full stack developer of that and land a job in the future by just covering up these languages and learning these languages. So I hope this video will be just really helpful for you. So now just we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building our project here. So now I'll be showing you how to just build. So first of all, I'll be showing you the demo of the project which we are just making today. Like I'm telling you, books libraries project will be just making in Java. So just I'll be opening my Google Chrome to show you how it is looking and what the demo is of that. So if I just open my Google Chrome, you can see there it is, our Google Books library here, which we'll be just making today. You can see at the side we are just getting the sidebar thing, but we are just getting the navbar here at the top. You can see Google Books written here. Then we are just getting two arrows here. We are just getting new tab button. Then this refresh, and then all the link of that you can see at the top. We are getting here. We are just getting Google Apps icons. Like if you just hover on that, we are just getting Google Apps just written here. Then you are also getting this button of Google account which you have signed in with. Like I've signed in with my own account, which I have just signed in with YouTube account here. So you can sign in with any other account if you want to do that. So here we are just getting Google Books here at the center, like logo of that. Down we are just getting books written small, because it is not the logo. Logo is this thing which is just in the center. Then we are getting the search box here also, which is just here. Then the search button also here. We are just getting search the world most comprehensive index of full textbooks here. And you can also search my library by pressing. Then we are getting the footer section, you can see, in which we are getting privacy terms, help. Then we are also getting publisher about section. Here we are also getting this in color, like you can see that whitish color we are just getting here. And then we are also getting the background here of white, but you don't have to change it to any color, it will be automatically appeared in white color. So here just these all are the things, and here at the back we will be getting it responsive also. Okay, if I show you by going to inspect, you can see there it is responsive also if you see in any mobile. So it will be looking, but it is looking like that, but if you see in any mobile it will be just looking perfectly here. So these were we just making today. So here for making this project I have to open my VS Code, in which I'll be writing my all the codes. So here it is my VS Code, I'll be opening that. You can see I've just directly opened my VS Code. Here I will be just making this tag here, means div tag. So make this div tag here, write class name. Okay, so right here, then here you have to write equals to, then right here forward, or you can say I will be writing CD, because it is a short form of that. Okay, so I'm writing forward, so it is only a class name, not like real anything like that. So here I'll be writing option, then I will be changing that to object, and here you have to change that to a tag, which will be just like here run. Close this here, then you have to change that to option dot object dot run. Okay, so write this and close this here. Now just I'll be closing, means I'll be erasing. Here I will be making this tag now. Then I will be just writing a tag which will be like banner mode. Here I will be writing, then here I will be changing that to username. Then close this tag here. Here I will be writing banner dot mode dot username. Then close this tag from here. Here I will be closing, means moving down. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like page node equals to new. Then close here. Here I will be writing page dot node dot new. Here I will be just closing this tag now. Then when you're done with that, here I will be moving down, writing a tag which will be just like here oscillator. So here just write here oscillator. Then you have to change that to a tag which will be just like here array. Here you have to write equals to option. Close this tag from here. Then I will be making a tag which will be just like here uh, oscillator. Here simply I'll be writing. Then write here dot array dot option. Okay, so right here like that. Now just close this here. Then I will be moving forward and then moving down here. Then here I will be writing a tag which will be like path 2D. Here I will be moving forward and then writing a tag which will be like website equals to view. Here like that. Then I'll be closing this and I will be writing that to like path 2D here again, right dot. Then write here website dot view. So here when you've done that, close this, save this file. You can also save it by like pressing Control S here. So I will be pressing simply Control S to save. Then I'll be moving down. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like website. Here just you have to move forward. Then right here editor equals to open. Close this here. Then I will be just writing a tag which will be like website dot editor dot open. Close this now. Then when you're done with that all things, here I will be writing animate author equals to. Then when you're done with that all, here I'll be writing outline. Close this. Here I'll be writing animate dot author dot outline. Close this now. Then when you've done with that all things, here I will be just moving down. Change that to a tag which should be like destination audio. Then you have to write here sound. Then close this here. Then I'll be writing destination dot audio dot sound. Here I'll be closing this tag now. Then when you're done with that all things, here I will be just moving down and here I will be just writing a tag which should be like performance resource equals to. Then change that to a tag which will be like selection. Close this here. Here I will be just writing a tag which will be like performance dot resource dot selection. Okay, so right here now. Then just you have to close this tag here, this curly bracket. Here I'll be saving this file now. Then when you're done with that all thing, just move forward again. Here I will be just writing. Then I'll be moving down. Here I'll be writing resource. So just write here resource. Then I'll be just changing that to space equals to audio. Now close this here. Here I will be changing that to like resource dot space dot audio. Close this tag now. Then when you're done with that, here I will be moving and closing, or you can say moving down here. Then make this tag in which I will be writing entry response equals to. Here I will be changing that to a tag which will be like terminal. Just you have to close this tag now. Then change that to like entry dot response. So here you have to write response dot terminal. Now when you're done with that, here I will be closing this tag now. Then I will be just moving down, writing the tag which will be like request http equals to xml. So just write here. Now just when you're done with that all things, here I will be just moving down. Then I will be just writing request dot http dot xml. Then close this tag here. Just save this file by pressing save. You can also press Ctrl S like I'm telling you. Now just when you're done with that all things, here I will be just moving down. Then I'll be writing HTTP element. So here you have to do that. Then write here effect. So just write here effect. When you're done with that all things, here I will be just moving forward and then I'll be writing a tag which will be like HTTP dot element dot effect. Close this here. Then I will be just moving down. Here I will be writing that to a tag which will be like array unit equals to. Then write here element. Close this here. Write that to like array dot unit dot. Here I will be writing dot element. Then just close this tag. Now just I'll be saving this file from here by pressing save button. And when you're done with that all things, I will be moving forward here and then moving down, in which I will be writing a tag like transition. So right here transition svg. Here I will be just changing that to a tag which will be just like here help. So just write here help. Now just close this. Here I will be writing transition. Then right here dot svg dot help. Here I will be doing one thing now. Help, right that. Then close this. Save this file from here. And when you're done with that all, just I'll be moving forward and moving down here. So just close this. save this file again. Then if I move to Google Books, our project should be just ready of books library, which will be just making in Java. So if I open my project here, is my Google Chrome. So you can see there it is our Google Books, which we have just opened. Here we are just getting all the things related to this, like left side we are just getting Google Books icon at the top. You can see name bar thing we are getting. Here we are just also getting some of the reload button, and in footer section we are just getting about, publishers, help, terms, privacy, and we are just also getting this whitish color like we are showing demo. Then we are getting this Google Apps also here at the right side. Here you can see that. Then this icon of Gmail from which account you have signed in with. Then this Google icon here at the top. Here we are getting books here also written, which is just written. Then we are just getting this search box here, or you can say search books. You can also put search here books. Then this search box, when you will be pressing that, so it will be just taken to the project. Here we are just getting this thing here, which is just written here in my library. You can go by pressing this. So like that, you can build your own books library project in Java. And I hope you enjoy this project, and I hope you also enjoy this video. If you enjoy that, so please hit a like to this video. If you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After it, also share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn this programming tips and tricks. And also you can check my all the previous courses of React, JavaScript, and HTML, CSS, and Python, which I have uploaded, of Python, of like data sciences and machine learning, which are really helpful for beginners if they want to learn and become full stack developer of that and learn for a job in future. So that videos will be also really helpful for you, and I hope you enjoy that. So if you enjoy that all videos, also hit a like to that videos also. Just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.